Hey everyone, welcome to the plan with me. I'm using the pumpkin spice sticker sheets this week from the shop because I just love the blue and oranges together. Even if I'm not really fond of pumpkin spice, it has to do with the cinnamon in my coffee. But I do like fall drinks. Now just let me know in the comments if you have a favorite fall drink. I usually do drink some tea or like apple cider in the autumn, when like when it's chilly out. But yeah, just let me know your favorite, drink for the fall. Maybe I will find something new because, sometimes I'm like, I should probably drink something else. Anyway, so focusing on the first week of October, full week of October, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. And I actually just got word of a San Diego planner meetup. So if you are in San Diego or around there, it's on October, 23rd, which is on a Sunday. So if you're in San Diego, make sure you check the San Diego, I believe, Facebook group or probably like Instagram or something. I'm not sure if that's up on there for details. I'm not the one hosting it or anything. I just figured I could let some of y'all know. So yeah, I will most likely be there. Anyway, like I said, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Schedule-wise, though, I have pretty consistent new release schedules since the last time we chatted. I think it's been a while. I am pretty sure it's been a while. Anyway, new releases are still on Fridays. $2 Tuesdays are basically every other week, kind of. It's like the second Tuesday of the month, which was like the normal thing I did. And then the fourth Tuesday of the month, which is pretty much every other week. That's the current schedule for those. The new thing is, which is totally new, this has only been happening like the last month and a half or so, but it's $1 Wednesday downloads, which are now every week. So they were like in between the $2 Tuesdays, like the week that I didn't have $2 Tuesday. But I switched that because I have a ton of printables that are ready to go, and they were never released. I found a bunch of files that I thought I had, uploaded when I first redid like the printable format and stuff like a few months ago. And we now have $1 Wednesday through the end of November. Did mention that before, I believe, in a couple of social media posts, but this is official, like through the end of November at least. I think the end of November is like a Wednesday. So yeah, I might do something different for December. I'm still working out those details though, but I wanted to do something that went with like the 12 days of stickers or something similar. Do not quote me on that. Which brings me to like the pre-order for the 12 days of stickers, which would be on Tuesday, October 18th. I know it's on a Tuesday. That's a weird day. I never do like something like this on a Tuesday, but I didn't want to like surprise everyone doing it like on Friday, which would have been this week. So I'm a little bit behind, but I think I need the extra weekend to get everything kind of like together and stuff. So we are still doing the 12 days of stickers. The pre-order is going to be on Tuesday and they will ship the week before Thanksgiving, if not the week of Thanksgiving. You don't technically need them until December 13th, so you still have a couple of weeks. And if by any chance I ship them out, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, there's still plenty of time to get them. And that's November 21st-ish. I think that's that week. I'm like trying to scramble looking at this calendar right now. I will say that I am reformatting the sticker kits slightly to include like a deco sheet or something that you can use with florals or anything like that. So price-wise, I will be uploading those details later as well, which is why I need the extra weekend to make sure that I can like set aside any artwork I want to do or use, and which sheets will have deco sheets, if not all of them. So yeah, all of that, plus, foil sheets and a whole bunch of things that I honestly, I just need the extra weekend to figure all those details out. So lots of things coming up. So yeah, more details will probably be coming up later this week as I like fine tune them. So stay tuned for that and everything else coming up in October. Honestly, I can't even believe it's already October. This year has gone by super fast. And my goal for this month is to not be overwhelmed with like the small details. And I know I just literally mentioned a bunch of small details, but sometimes I get overwhelmed with like, oh, I should do this with this and this. And I need to sometimes step back and be like, it's not what I wanted, but I can, release the fourth kit like on a different day. It's not going to be a big deal. Anyway, sometimes you can't really control that. And that's my overall goal for October, to, not stress over small things. I have way too many things filling up my head that I want to do and release, and side projects and other work projects, and then a bunch of other like home projects. And sometimes I just can't do everything. So hopefully that sticks for October, because come November, usually it's like one of the most stressful months weekend wise, and I have to let certain things go. So and with that, like sometimes I like to take a step back, and I've actually been playing Dreamlight Valley on the Switch. If you haven't seen that, it's the new Disney version of like the Sims / Animal Crossing, and I always go into Animal Crossing just because I really like chilling out for like 20-30 minutes, even though sometimes I'm on there for like an hour redoing whatever I'm doing. But it's pretty much the same thing, but Disney. It's currently on like a special like release, so you have to pay for it. But I think the new, like the free version is coming out like next year or something. So just let you guys know, you don't actually have to pay for it unless you don't want to wait. I need something else to keep my mind busy. So I've been playing that while I'm watching TV instead of stressing over new releases sometimes. So yeah, that's what's going on. Oh, and I've also been reading new books. So I've been taking some time to actually read books that I haven't done, because my goal for the year was to read 30 something books, like I think it was like 2-3 books a month, and I think I'm only halfway through that goal. So I need to actually work on that goal, which means now I have to read an extra book to meet that goal, but it's fine. Anyway, that was way off a topic, but yeah. If you're wondering the book I'm currently reading, it is The Ex-Hex, and I'm pretty sure I will be finished with this book by the time this video gets uploaded in a few days. So yeah. I did make a new Goodreads account because I could not figure out my password for the old one, and I never got an email like sent for it to like reset it. And I made a new one. If you want to follow that one, I'll leave the link in my bio if you have any recommendations or anything for fall or like even winter books. Or like I'll probably also add a few books that I recommend to my Amazon like cart thing, so you can also look at that if you're looking for specific books. Anyway, I think that's the end of this voiceover though. I hope everyone has a great week, and that your goals of this month or for the rest of the year are also accomplished, since we're almost done with the year. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, and follow my socials, and I will talk to you all next time. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great week. I will talk to you guys later. Bye everyone.